Lyngkyrdem Presbyterian English Lower Primary School haka khatwai terik uno pra kala Pynkut no ya ka jingrakhe dap arpusan snam jongka lane ka silver jubilee ka blasdang na do ka khatwai terik uri saw mentau snam haka te sngi ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo ka balong ka MLA jongka East Shillong constituency bat ka long aibut jongka Sarkar Jilla kala long ka Kongsan haka te gajing rakhe ladon lang ki bor penya jong ka school ki nong hikai ki khanna school barim bat ki kme ki khpa jong ki khanna school haka te gasngi le shibantaru da ki khanna puli jong ka school haki program ki bapher la penya ya ka te ka program da MSD lalu bat ban chipan kan ma la sengia ka Lyngkyrdem Presbyterian English LP School ha banai leber jong usnam 8000
Nga karman kajingwan jonga shane kan sa seiso ngan bo ya kini kijing kerpat jong pi baro hapo ki sangti ki bakraw ki jong ublay pat nga ngen habalap ha da ublay bat ondalat pun kentong da ublay ngin sapoy siya katakathong kabangiwit kmi lenti. Congratulations ya pi baro ki alumni. Pi wan hakmat hangni ban contribute siya i principal. Kato kaday kajeng hikay ba pi subot reneng nano kaday kito ki classrooms ki bangayat lamba manem step por bangaliwat ya ka restroom but ngayu ya ka simplicity jong ki classrooms kiba kita ki school ba kiba rem hadu kata kataru kimla ban ai yaki students hapo city. Kajing kan win jong ki kon puli ha city. Kadaw ba kalong. Kilalong too high-fi. Kilalong too expectant. But mla syo ban mudur. But the basic tool of education is only a bench and a desk. Not much is required. It is your will and your determination that will help you reach to the highest level of achievement. Shihajar ngo ya pibaro ublay unkurku ya kanika institution, but ublay unang aibor ya pi kum ka church. Ban continue ya commission ka jong pi kabaklem don bakantu. Nray ka day ka jing tray mons ngobha jong ka church jong pi hakani ka shnong ka ba itanat katni. Shihajar ngo ya pi kublay shibun kublay shihajar ngo.
Then who is my neighbor? I will tell you a story. There was a man who was traveling from Jerusalem to Jericho.
Hey, you! Give me all of your money!
Yes, this is all I have. Just take it. But please, don't hurt me.
What? Is this all? You have to be killed!
Don't. Please.
Let's take his clothes! Die!
Help! Please! Help! What is this? Well, it's none of my business. I'm busy. I have to go. A Levite came by. Oh, help! Please! Oh, help!
What is this? Well, it's none of my business. I'm busy. I have to go.
A Samaritan came by. Oh, help! Oh, please, help! Oh no! Are you all right? Who did this to you? Don't worry. I will help you. Excuse me. This man is hurt. He was robbed by robbers. They took everything from him.
Oh, no. That's a pity.
Here's some money. Please take care of him until I come back.
Okay. But what if there are extra expenses?
I will pay for any extra expenses when I come back. Who do you think was a neighbor to the man? The one who had mercy on him. Go and do like this.
He is undisputed WWE Universal Champion Roman Reigns! Dear God, I got no work. I'm here by myself. How about you, huh? You fool, you're stupid to me. But my perspective, not too far to stop. You're not free talk without far. Ooh, well, I'm not mad I want. Ask you. But if you came alone, I came alone. I thought to defeat you on this championship that the help for all you done. I'm not in truth. I'm